heading up to the house right now. About an hour behind me, the guy is coming up with the tractor. The last video that I did, the first video on the tractor, we didn't really get to see it that well, just in pictures, because that was the day that Melissa and I bought it. And now I thought I'd do a video here so we can get a better look. If I ever run for president, I'm going to run on the platform that all roundabouts in the United States get removed. I hate those things. Almost there now. Had to stop at Walmart, had to stop at Super One, had to stop at B&B, had to stop at the liquor store. Feels like I'm never going to get there. Everything seems to work on it pretty good. 3-point went up and down. I could not figure out how to turn on that PTO, and he did it yesterday in that garage when I was looking at it, so I just am not doing something right with that lever. That loader can definitely use some work. It's kind of creaky going up and down, but as soon as it gets warm out and there's no snow, I'm going to pull that off the tractor anyway. It's got a heater on it here. I'm actually going to plug that in and see if I can listen to it and hear if it circulates the water or not, or the antifreeze. It's been converted over to 12 volt. It'll definitely be nice to have around. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I'll see you guys on the next video.